There are days where everything collapses. Motivation goes through the roof. Gone. Energy is drained. Failure stacking up. I've been there. But instead of quitting, I discovered a reset method that turns rock bottom into a comeback in just 24 hours. It's fast, it's simple, and it works every single time. It doesn't fail. I remember one day where I felt completely useless. Missed deadlines, ignored calls, and I couldn't even look in the mirror. I almost gave up on the week, but I decided, what if I gave myself just one day to reset? That was the turning point in my life. Yes, the exact method, step-by-step guide of what I did. First, I unplugged from all distraction, no social media, no pointless noise, nothing to distract me. Second, I moved my body, workout, work, or just sweat. Third, I write down everything that's in my head. Then I pick the top three priorities only. And last, I rebuild the day around progress, not perfection. It doesn't have to be perfect to be progress. By the end of that reset day, I wasn't perfect, but I was back in control. The stress was lighter, my focus was sharper, and most importantly, I felt unstoppable again. It proved something powerful. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have a perfect plan to bounce back. Just 24 intentional hours that you know what you're doing. So next time life knocks you flat on the floor, don't wait for a month. Don't wait a year. Give 24 hours to reset and come back stronger. Drop a comment if you're ready to try this method, and watch the video right here to know the 5 habits that keeps the reset alive.